a huge tree. So we are at Warren Dunes State Park. If you go right this way, Lake Michigan you'll run into. There's some big hills here. But this is one of the parks in Michigan. We're just having a little hike today. So here's some of the trails you can do. This is the lake over here. So there's paths. You could walk all the way here along the lake. Well, there's many you can do. So we're about right here right now. So to the left is where the lake is. Man, we'd have all the burning wood we need at our house.
Man, if they let you take this.
Yeah.
Oh, there just sits there and rots.
Yeah. Lots of little chipmunks around if you can see it.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah. My parents are actually camping here, and they saw a snapping turtle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of like crossing the road here. We picked a nice day to come. It's like maybe 75 today.
Oh, yeah.
But yesterday was like 90, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's been back and forth, and today's actually a pretty nice
Well, when
day.
we came here, the lake temperature was 63 degrees.
The lake temperature?
The lake temperature was 60. Today I just saw a thing that said 67. So it went up 4 degrees in 3 days. Since
Wow. Did you try to go in at all?
No, I haven't even been down there.
Yeah, the water doesn't even really warm up here until like July or August.
Yeah.
Probably even August. And then, you know, September, it already starts to get a little cooler again. So by the time it gets warm enough to get in, the temperature starts starting to drop.
2 good weeks of warm lake.
Yeah, you get a warm lake and then warm weather. Then soon after that, it starts to get a little cooler. Here's some steps going nowhere. You think so? Huh.
There's some kind of building.
Yeah, I can see here's maybe towards the basement. What a place to live, man. Nice backyard there. Oh, there's some more steps leading to it. So for these paths, you know, in the summertime you'd walk them, and in the wintertime you can actually ski. Cross-country skiing. And if you have a lot of energy, I did this as a kid. There's a very big hill. I don't know if we're gonna make it there today, but there's a very out here. There's some hills by the probably more closer to like the beach that you could snowboard down. Did you ever do that when you were a kid?
Yeah.
Or at least ski down?
Oh yeah.
Snowboarding. Was there snowboarding when you were a kid? No. But back in the day, we used to snowboard down there. Huh? Toboggan? But you'd only probably go down maybe 3 times.
Yeah.
Because you go down, first you got to walk up, of course. That takes, you know, anywhere between, depends how big the hill is. The very big one probably takes at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
But that's like not easy. Especially in the snow, it probably takes even longer. But then you go down, it probably takes, you know, a minute or less.
Oh yeah.
And then so if you want to go a lot, you keep climbing up and riding down. It's actually pretty fun, but it's very tiring. Yeah, 3 times after that, you're done.
There'll be frogs in this pond too.
All right, let's see if we can see any. See if you can see them before they jump.
Unless those walkers just scared them.
Maybe.
Oh,
Oh, I see something moving. Oh, I see a little one right there.
yep.
It's a tiny little guy. There's one right there,
Mhm.
and there's a couple over there. There's a bigger one.
Oh, there he goes.
That one's not scared. Oh, there he goes. There's a bigger one. There's like 3 right in that area.
See him? Oh, there's one left. See him?
Yeah.
Camera shot.
There's one lone one right over there. Yeah, there's a lot of them in there. Little snack if you get hungry along the trail.
Yeah.
We used to go, remember that one place we used to go with those bullfrogs? They're like bigger than my hand.
Oh yeah.
And we used to catch them with a fishing pole.
Yeah.
You put a little worm on it and you catch them, and they're like bigger than my hand.
Then they're worth eating.
Yeah. Look at the size of that base. Thing going up, it splits into like 4 different trees. That's huge. That'd be a cool treehouse.
Yeah.
Birdhouse. So 6 and 7, we're up around this area now. We were over here.
See, here's just a loop, 6.
Okay. So 6, if you wanted to, you can take a little loop. That's what that is. But we're gonna go up this way. Yeah, would you do teeter-totter on that tree?
Yeah, I think so. Is that connected or is that falling off? Oh.
Well, it fell off another tree.
That one probably.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's half on there.
That's kind of dangerous for somebody.
If a tree falls when no one's around, does it make a sound?
Yes.
It does? All right.
Nobody hears it, but it does make a sound.
It does? All right. Who can confirm that? So here's another one. All right, keep going straight?
Yeah,
Or this way?
That's a dead end of the lake.
Okay, so if you keep going to the lake, you go that way.
And we can go this way and see. I think we can see the lake from where we're going to be. Oh, but that one's going to last too much longer either.
Oh man, yeah. That one could go. Next windstorm. Yeah, it still feels pretty solid right now. It's still green.
Yeah, I know.
Nice view up here. So this is one of the paths that start to go to the beach, the lake. It's a lot easier to walk on the hard dirt, of course. This is like one step up, one half step down if you're walking up like that. Someone had a four-wheeler coming through here or something.
See that. Well, hopefully, one of their wardens. And then we get out here, it gets hot.
Yeah, say goodbye to the shade. Woo!
We go to the top of this hill, so you can see the lake.
It's like a totally different world out here now.
Yeah.
What's over the hill? It's like a mirage when you see the water.
I don't know if you can see the water. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. That's cool. Nice. You can see everything. That's like picture perfect right there.
Yeah.
You can have a painting. So if you wanted to, if you like to walk on the beach and along the water, it's probably another like 15 minutes walking through there. You get to the beach and then you can walk along that way for a while. I mean, this goes on forever.
Well, that goes all the way back to our swimming spot where we swim over there.
Okay. It's definitely a workout walking on the sand.
Yeah.
This isn't that much of an incline, but you get some of these where you go up and it's really like one step up, like two steps down sometimes.
Yeah.
It takes you forever getting up the hill. And you get sand in your pockets, sand in your socks, sand in your shirt.
This is what we used to call money trees.
Ah,
See?
it looks like a quarter.
When we were kids, we picked these. They were money trees.
You try to go to the store and buy something
Yeah,
with it?
yeah.
How much of this? Let's give me a candy bar.
Yeah. Well, we just thought so. That was our nickname we gave it because it looks like money.
I remember that, yeah.
Remember that? Yeah.
Yeah, about at my grandma's house, we used to play with this.
But you only see these down at the...
By the beach more?
Yeah, I don't know if you got them at your house, do you?
Well, I think we did because I remember talking about money trees when we were little. Because we have like that sandy part out there.
Oh, they might have been out there, yeah.
I'll take a look at them because it has been a while since I've seen one.
Yeah.
What's the real name? Do you guys know what the real name of this is?
Yeah.
With our nickname is the money tree. I don't think they fly. No.
No.
They're definitely not the flying tree. We're looking for a little snack. There should be a mulberry tree out here. Hopefully they're not all eaten yet. Yeah, man. It's like walking to a different dimension out here. It's like the desert into like the dense forest. How much sand do you have in your shoes? My cousin's in Georgia, if you're watching this. I'm pretty sure we walked through here with you guys last time they were here.
Yeah.
I think like 5 years ago. But I remember this spot here and the one we're up there. So you guys in Georgia, how you guys doing if you're watching? Big bark tree is a cottonwood tree. And this is what comes from it.
It's good for you. You can make a Santa Claus beard, see?
Yeah. Get some glue. Yeah. You be ready for next Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
So here's the tenting area. I don't see any tents out here right now. Well, this is all for tenting. We're scoping out some of the camping sites. 192. There's not much shade out here for that one. So here's a little idea of some of the camping, and this is all for tents. It's a really big area though. It goes all the way down there, all of that area back there. Here's a black squirrel. He's eating some berries. Looks like some mulberries. I think here's some mulberries, yeah.
Oh yeah, they're all over here.
See if I can find a good one. Oh. Pretty good. There's a whole bunch of them though. All up there. All the good ones are probably on the ground. Just blow it off a little bit, it's good.
That one's like in the shade a little bit.
There's a nice one. You can camp here, wake up in the morning, put some mulberries on your oatmeal.
Look at them here.
Yeah, wow. And these are all the good ones too. When they're ripe like this, they're still good.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I got this one for you. Don't eat that one. You can probably, did you eat it? You can probably find a good one. I'm not tall enough to get those. They go all the way up there.
Yeah.
All of these are mulberries. The squirrels love it out here. What you can do is set up a whole bunch of buckets down here.
Yeah.
And come at the end of the day. So 187 right there, that's a good one. That's a perfect spot. Not many neighbors, and you get a free breakfast there. So if at the Warren Dunes doing a tent, I'd check out that one. That's my recommendation for today. So on the way back, there's mulberry trees all over out here. I think that one I can get. There's some low-hanging ones there. Hey, want to hold this for a second? Yeah. I'll see if I can get it. Oh yeah. Oh. I'll get it higher.
There you go.
It broke off, but
Oh, that's all right. Yeah. Now we get to jump over
there's a
here.
couple ones over here.
Here, right here. Is that too high?
I can get it, but it's just gonna break.
Try this one. Here. Here's a good one.
I think you can almost.
I can almost reach that.
I think you can reach it.
I'll be real gentle. Okay.
All right. Lunchtime. So here's our little
Like a
break
bear.
snack. Yeah, this is what bears do.
That one's kind of sour.
Look at that.
They're really, they're not bad, but they're sort of sometimes tasteless.
Yeah. There's not a whole bunch of taste to them. Every once in a while you can get a sweet one.
Here's one. Try this one, see if you like it. It's a little tang.
Oh, there's the tangy kind.
Yeah.
It's
Sour.
a little sour. All right, I'm good for another 10 feet. Those are all over the place, so if you miss them, you can walk right by them. But as long as you're looking down and you see all the ones on the ground, you can't miss it. All right, guys, so I think this is gonna be the end of the video. This is just a little quick walk. We didn't have a lot of time today. They're actually on their honeymoon, or not honeymoon, anniversary.
Anniversary.
What number is it?
49.
49, really?
40,
Wow.
40.
So next year will be the big 5-0.
That'd be 5.
Wow, that's exciting. So they're celebrating by coming and camping out here, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But this is, I guess we're gonna say goodbye. We're gonna finish walking up there, and yeah, that's about it. So if you guys are ever in the area, Southwest Michigan, and want to come to Warren Dunes State Park, I recommend this park. It's a really cool area. It's pretty diverse. You got the beach you can walk to, and you got lots of walking trails.
Yeah.
But all right, we're back to the parking area, so I guess we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.